Hello, my artsy friend. In this video, we're going to be going over my favorite stitch, the woven wheel, aka rose stitch. Let's jump in. We're going to start by knotting our thread and then threading the needle. So I'm going to take my threader, push it through there, and pull the yarn right through the eye. Now we're ready. I'm going to come up through the back of the card and then back down to the center. So I'm going to be starting on these outer holes and going towards the center. They're all going to share the same center hole. So again, I'm coming up through the back, down through the front. These are 5 straight stitches. This is going to give us the base for our weave. So this is the woven wheel. So it's going to create a rose-like shape. So I'm just going up through the back, down through the front, and I'll speed this up. So we set our foundation with these 5 straight stitches. And next we're going to come up in the center, and you're going to notice you're going to be kind of above your stitch. So that one is going to be our over. And then the next one you're going to go under. And the next one you go over and under, and we'll be repeating that. So now I went under, and I'm going to go over and then under the following. So again, you're just going back and forth, over, under, over, under. We're going to weave this around all of our stitches. So all of those five straight stitches are our foundation, and then we just weave around them. It's super easy. So again, just over and under, and you're going to pull that through, not too tight, but making sure that you don't have it too loose either, especially if this is on apparel that you may wash. But again, just over and now under. And I'll speed this up, and I'll meet you back for how to finish it off and keeping our back tidy. And now that it's done, we're just going to go right back down and finish that through, go all the way through the back. And now I have all 3 done here, so I want to show you the back. So I typically just go under my stitches, wrap it a few times, and then clip it off just to keep the back tidy. Like I said, keeping it neat, especially if it's on apparel, is really nice. My daughter has a cardigan that she loves with these on it. And that's it. It's our woven wheel. Check it out.